Now, here, this is your lecture number 5, paper PH 4501, unit 3. This is for CIA2 examination point of view. We are discussing here voltage and current gain. Voltage and current gain. This is our topic, is voltage and current gain. For this, we draw the figure. This is our RG. RG means resistance of the source. This is our source. Source is known as VG. This is our input resistance RI. HFI1. Parameter HO. This is our RI. This is input voltage V1. Current I1. Output resistance, load resistance RL. This is your V2 output voltage. Current I2. This is our HO. Taking into account RG, which is known as the source resistance, the equivalent circuit is looks like this. Here Ri is equal to input resistance of amplifier. Rg is equal to source resistance. Vg is our source. V2 output resistance, output voltage, and RL output load resistance. Our aim is to find out the voltage gain and current gain. So from this figure, we can say that gain of the amplifier with respect to V1 is gain of the amplifier with respect to V1 is given as AV is equal to V2 upon V1, output voltage upon input voltage, voltage gain. This is equal to AI RL upon RI. AI RL upon RI. But gain with respect to Vg is given as here, gain with respect to Vg is given as AVG is equal to gain, symbol of gain with respect to Vg. It is equal to V2 upon Vg. This is equal to V2 upon V1 into V1 upon Vg divided by V1 upon V1. So the input section of the amplifier can be redrawn as, this is our input section of the amplifier. We can draw like this. This is our Vg. This is your Rg. This is your Ri. and across the Ri there is a V1. Across the Ri there is a V1. So input section of the amplifier, this is your input section of the amplifier. So from this figure we can write V1 is equal to VG Ri upon Ri plus Rg. Simple way, what is your V1 is equal to Ri into Vg divided by Ri plus Rg. Simple law. Therefore V1 upon Vg, it is equal to Ri upon Ri plus Rg. So AVG, it is equal to V2 upon V1 into V1 upon Vg, and this is equal to AI RL upon Ri into Ri upon Ri plus Rg. This is coming from, we are using this equation, we are using this equation, we are getting this. So final value AVG, it is equal to AVRI upon Ri plus Rg. If here Rg it is equal to Ri, then AVG it is equal to AV upon 2. This is our gain of the with respect to Vg. Now to find out overall current gain. Now to find out overall current gain, again consider the Norton equation equivalent circuit for the transistor amplifier. Here we consider Norton equivalent circuit. So this is your IG. In between this there is a RG. Then there is a RI. This is your RI. Across this there is a input voltage V1. Here generator HFI1, HO, this is your HO, and the final load resistance RL. This is your V2. To find out the overall current gain, consider the Norton equivalent for transistor amplifier circuit. This is the circuit. Now the current gain with respect to I1 is AI is equal to minus I2 upon I1. Overall current gain with respect to IG AIG, it is equal to IL upon IG, that is equal to minus I2 upon IG. Therefore, AIG is equal to minus I2 upon I1 into I1 upon IG. This is equal to AI I1 upon IG. Therefore, I1 is equal to IG RG upon Ri plus Rg. Therefore, I1 upon Ig, it is equal to Rg upon Ri plus Rg. Therefore, here we take this circuit also. Rg, this is your R1, Rg, and the current Ig. Therefore, AIG is equal to AI Rg upon Ri plus Rg. So, we get the overall current gain AIG is equal to, this is your A1G, not A1G, AIG is equal to AI Rg upon Ri plus Rg. The last topic is the dual matching in an amplifier. Dual matching in an amplifier for maximum power gain. For maximum power gain. Now, to get maximum power gain, equation for maximum power gain, first of all, output resistance of the amplifier RO, output resistance of the amplifier RO should be equal to load resistance RL. The second one is source resistance RG. Source resistance Rg should be equal to the input resistance Ri. Should be equal to the input resistance Ri. To satisfy these two conditions, the necessary value of the RL and Rg are given as, to satisfy these two conditions, the necessary values of RL and Rg is given as RL is equal to under root of Hi upon delta H into HO, and Rg is equal to under root of delta H into H1 upon HO. Here delta H is equal to HiHO minus HrHf. So this complete your dual matching in an amplifier for the maximum power gain. Now we are taking one example, very important in the form of when we are discussing about the objectives. This is very important in examination point of view. I already write which example. Consider the common base amplifier circuit. In this circuit, Rg is equal to 600 ohm. This is your common base transistor. Vg is equal to 0.15. RL is equal to 1.5 K. HIB, HRB, HFB, HOB is equal to this. Then find out current gain input resistance, voltage gain, RO, AP, AVG, AIG, etc. Right? This is your example. How to find out this? Here RG is equal to 600 ohm, VG is equal to 0.15 volt, RL is equal to 1.5 kilo ohm, and all of these are given here. So first of all we find out AI. First, AI current gain is equal to IC upon IE, that is equal to minus HFB upon 1 plus HOB RL. This is equal to minus HFB. Minus HFB, where is HFB? Minus 0.98, minus of minus 0.98 divided by 1 plus HOB. What is the value of HOB? 0.5. 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 into RL. RL means 1.5 into 10 raised to 3, and this is equal to 0.98. This is the value of AI, right? In the examination point of view, in exam, consider common base amplifier circuit. In this circuit, these are the different parameter is given, and your objective is, first objective find out current gain, second objective find out RI, third objective find out voltage gain, fourth objective find out RO, find out AP, find out AVG, and find out AIG. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 objectives are given in this example. So you must prepare this example, right? Only in the examination the value of this is changed. The value of this is changed, may be changed. Right? Second, RI is equal to HIB plus HRB AI RL. Therefore, RI is equal to 20.44 ohm. Yeah, you calculate this. Third, find out voltage gain. Voltage gain equation for voltage gain is equal to, we are using here AIRL upon RI. We know that AI is equal to 0.98, RL is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to 3, because this is 1.5 kilo ohm, right? Divided by RI. What is your RI? You already find out RI, 20.44 ohm. So your final value is, voltage gain is equal to 72. You calculate this. I am directly written from the textbook. I am not calculate this. Then next one is the GO. The unit of GO is mho. This is again one objective. What is the unit of GO? This is equal to HOB minus HFB HRB upon HIB plus RG, and this is equal to 0.97 into 10 raised to minus 6 mho. Fifth one is AP, power gain, voltage gain into current gain, and this is equal to 70.56. You just calculate all this answer by putting this different value here, and calculate with the help of your calculator, and see whether this value is coming or not. I am just taking direct value from the textbook. Next, AVG. AVG is equal to VC upon VG This is equal to AV RI upon Ri plus Rg, and therefore AVG is equal to 2.3. We are getting the direct value of AVG 2.3. This would be very impractical to drive this common base amplifier from source of Rg 600 ohm. This would be very impractical to drive this common base amplifier from source of Rg is equal to 600 ohm. Therefore, AV delta AVG into Vg upon Vs, it is equal to 1.38, and the last AIG is equal to IC upon Ig. This is equal to AI Rg upon Ri plus Rg. This gives AIG is equal to 0.95. So in this way, using these equations, you remember all these equations and you find out the final output. The last homework example is, refer to the above common base circuit in the given example. RL is equal to, now RL is equal to 150 kilo ohm, RS is equal to 10 ohm, HIB is equal to 40 ohm, HRB is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 4, HOB is equal to 1 micro mho, and HFE is equal to 60. Then calculate AI, RI, AV, AP, RO, RO dash, AVG, AIG. Right? Calculate all of this. I just calculate HFB is equal to HFE upon 1 plus HFE, that is equal to 60 upon 1 plus 60, that is equal to minus 0.983. This is your HFB. Then all the other is your homework. That's all. Most probably this is the last lecture. Thank you.